places.
Oh, yeah.
If you get a good turnout.
Yeah, I've been tracking attendance and stuff, and occasionally when we have parties or meetings, I'll show class. It's been a while since I've been able to do those though, but like, yeah, so I guess that we can go through.
So at meetup.com, and what's what do you look for to find where these are going to happen? Would it be what is this called? iPad?
I think you just look up programming. That's what I did. I just looked up programming for like computers.
I usually search for like, I mean, are you, have you joined us on Meetup or?
That's how I just happened to go to Meetup for something else for some reason. I can't remember why. And I saw this, I go, oh, hey, that's kind of cool. I like this. But I didn't know how, yeah. So this is called PY.
What's up?
So I can show you how to get it on like join us on
Andrew? Andrew?
Yeah.
How's it going, Andrew?
Not bad.
How about you?
There you
Oh,
go.
yeah, sure. You want me to come over there?
No, I can do. Alright, so if you go to, you open a browser, and go to Meetup. And then, yeah, like, do you have an account with all or?
No, I assume not have. Do I have to?
I think it's helpful, I think, for getting emails and stuff.
Oh.
You can join us. Yeah, so go, just like search events, go like, you just have programming Python.
No, really?
That's cool.
I love insurance.
Oh, yeah.
I took a class in actuarial science. Do you have to do much with the numbers side of things, or is it
So that's us.
Oh, I see. Okay.
technical stuff?
Yeah.
We don't really.
First three.
Easier.
If you click on, just click on this one. And then, if you click on, like, just click on, you just have programming Python. Like, yeah, there's expressions.
Which is.
And then you can go to events.
Property owners, insurance for damages done to your building.
And then, yeah, like you can see, if you scroll down,
Renters insurance, it usually has two
you
pieces.
see them.
Oh,
So
yeah.
if you go up, you scroll up, you see calendar.
And then personal protection, that's stuff.
Yeah.
You can see we have the one on July. I usually post like, I try to post events like 1 month out from like when they're
Oh, good.
like
Cool.
when they're gonna be.
So we have this system.
Yeah, we're gonna have an event on the 30th, like a talk night, but we haven't gotten confirmation, but that's the plan.
Yeah,
So,
Okay.
there'll be more events added.
Oh, that's
we have a whole
Yeah.
bunch of these jobs.
And we have a social on August 6th.
Occupancy.
So if you go to August,
Is in
Yeah.
month probably.
all
Oh, yeah,
sorts
right.
of things. And then we automate the process of enrolling your unenrolled
And this is brewing.
You said it's jobs
so
that
there's one
run
in
for the
Capital Hill,
clients.
that's the
So like,
location we go
is it
to.
like a
I
bunch
see.
of different
Okay.
instances you have like
Oh,
all the
that's
country?
yeah, because I can get
So I think
take the line, bike over to the Husky Stadium.
isolate each of our customers
Yeah,
into their own.
That works, yeah.
Yeah.
So what?
Their
So
virtual
what?
host has
How?
all the
What is
instances
this
of
organization?
applications
It's just
and
kind of
database
a
and
bunch
whatnot.
of people getting
And
together.
so
forming
we
a
have
formal.
usually what
It's
we've
not
been
a
doing in the past.
Or
We have like a schedule.
So we are
Send
part of
jobs
like the
to every
PSF
single
at this point, like the
host.
Python Software Foundation, so we are like technically part of a nonprofit and stuff.
Oh, is that?
Yeah,
So that when
Like-
it's 12 o'clock where you live, the
yeah,
jobs
like
are-
essentially we are like,
And so-
I mean, we're pretty
yeah,
informal
this
though, like
job
I mean,
flow
we have a bunch of
basically is just
organizers and
I
like
have
people
a
come and
sequence of
go,
9
like
jobs
when
that
they're,
need to occur in order.
as,
They need
you
to-
know,
Right.
because they have time and stuff.
Right.
And then
So it's a lot of volunteers.
the guy who wrote this job flow
we
system
do-
has like
Yeah, we just do a bunch of events and it's a lot of people who just like, we want to have a Python, the goal is we want to have a Python community in Seattle.
So you're
So we
using
try to
like
do
a separate
events, you know, like our
computer
talk
to
nights,
schedule it.
basically focus
So
on
then like
like
you're starting the
new
job
emerging
like
features of the
like
language
rather than having
or
to
projects that people
get
are working on. And so we find networking and then these events, you know, it's kind of hanging out, meeting people who are working on projects and stuff. Or socials are, you know, meeting people that with beers this time.
Yeah.
And we've had a lot of other events over the years and we're trying to bring some back, you know.
And then how large
We're
the
slowly
contracts
bringing things back after the
and
pandemic.
multi-million-dollar, like, for the
That's
whole
the gist of
company.
it. It's just a way to meet people who do what you do. Or
Yeah,
some
yeah,
of the
yeah.
customers
You're interested.
have, like,
Yeah.
And does,
some have a few, yeah.
in terms of
The more I learn about
agendas and what meetings, when there are, how do you,
property
how does somebody,
tend to be either.
let's say someone has an idea for
They own
something to discuss, how do you do that?
Or
If you wanted to do a talk or
Or if you wanted to have a talk on something.
or if you were requesting someone give a talk.
Either way, it doesn't matter, yeah.
So I think like we have a website.
Yeah, I think I've heard that, yeah.
Like psfriend.com, and you can submit talk proposals that I think that you want to do. I don't. Andrew, do we have any way people requesting like a talk they want to see? Like I don't.
The reason why I
I
asked
mean,
is
there's
It's not anything like structured. I know people have asked for stuff in Slack before.
Yeah.
I'd expect them to ask.
Yeah, we do have a
some
Slack community.
customizations maybe,
It's a little
so
quiet
if
right now,
I'm like custom-
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not a big
That's
Slack
okay.
person, but that's okay.
That's okay.
Not a big deal. Yeah, I mean, like let's say if we wanted to have a discussion on list comprehension,
Unless it fits their needs.
and obviously it wouldn't be a day, if you wouldn't say asking for an hour, but I mean, how would that be? How would you?
The company I work for, it's like a.
How would I get information on that? I mean, I already know it, but still, that's an example.
I kind of think that like
Maybe a technical discussion to have.
Yeah, I think like I mean, we probably have on Slack.
On Slack?
Yeah.
We have stuff to handle the
Yeah.
maintenance, stuff to handle the.
What do you think, Andrew?
The property company will.
Sorry?
Choose which features they want.
If someone wanted to have a discussion on like list comprehensions, do you think the best way like would be Slack or?
Slack or
But
here
I mean-
or
Yeah.
whatever.
So here's definitely a good place for those.
Okay. So it's not.
Yeah, that's cool. That's fine. Yes.
And what about the thing in particular for me is I wonder if anybody else has said MongoDB.
Roll yourself into your property manager's.
How do you- Have you been using MongoDB?
You can always ask people here. You can always like Slack is another good place. So we do a lot of things on Slack.
How you do this?
Yeah. Kind of where our virtual community is when we're not at events and stuff.
Is that right?
The parent company gets a small bit of it, and then the rest of it go to.
On Slack, I can just join Slack.
Yeah. We do have like you go to our event like descriptions even for tonight's event. There's a link on how to join,
Okay.
and it should work. There's a minute where it wasn't working. Like it should work now.
Because of the trouble
Yeah.
they're going through.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
No, I think it's
So,
great.
so you
Yeah,
can
I've been running this for a while. We're happy to keep this going.
Yeah, no, I can. No, I think it's. I didn't know about it, but I'm glad
That's by a lot of people. Are you in other meetup groups at all? Or?
Oh no, I'm pretty antisocial.
Insurance that also has personal for the same price.
Yeah, like you, but it's. I've spent so much time on computers that it's. I only just try to do the things I really like, which is programming in Python
I'm sticking with this for now just because.
and photography and stuff like that. So.
You sound like just any one of our members.
Yeah. Sure.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
Stuff like
That's
that.
very cool though.
Yeah.
I'm glad you guys did.
Yeah, of course. Thanks for coming.
That was good. It was very good.
Oh, wow.
And then went to like a boot camp.
All right, I'm gonna check out some of
Oh,
this.
Yeah.
So I'm like,
Sure.
not catching up to what everybody else is doing.
That's fun. That's awesome. You still do theater?
No, I haven't done anything since like 2013.
How's everybody doing over here?
Doing good.
Yeah.
How about you?
Music, sound effects, voiceovers, intro program, so they could just.
What are you working on?
Space bar and then all this
stuff.
I'll let you get back to that.
And
busy this week.
Unless
Yeah,
you're
so
super professional.
I was doing some.
Sorry to hear that.
But during
Yeah.
before.
I think the
That's
application
fine.
was like.
And then
You were at like retreat then, right?
It's,
I didn't travel a
But I'm
Yeah,
recently, or-
The last thing I did was just after San Francisco for God.
I was curious.
Yeah, you were there for project.
That wasn't even the plan, but yes, it ended up being well, at least the beginning of Friday. We came back, we'd gone down like Saturday, so we were there the whole weekend.
I can't even tell you what the latest is really. 'Cause
So I also discovered I was told Sage. So there was that bar in San Francisco that Sage and I were talking about in the channel Slack.
This wasn't the pickle one. This is
Yeah.
different.
No, it was the one that had pickle
Okay.
beer. So I was going to go back. So I'm like, I want to try the pickle beer. It's packed. so we didn't go that night. So we just like started walking down the street. Like maybe
What type of shows were you
3 doors down, same block. There's another bar, which A, also has pickle beer, but B, it is named Moe's Tavern, and it is all Simpsons themed.
Oh, that's amazing. Okay, I gotta go to this. I love people do that.
It was actually really well done. It was fun decor, and they have Duff beer and a whole bunch of Simpsons themed cocktails.
That's fun.
Whatever you want.
Makes me really
Yeah, it was kind of fun. But yeah, no, we didn't do it. We just like, oh, that looks fun. We'll go in there instead because it's not too crowded. But discovered they also had the same pickle beer.
That's funny. This pickle beer, like, why is
That's like a good
What is pickle beer?
Beer with pickle.
it's a big thing in Texas?
I think the company is originally from Texas, although apparently it's not manufactured there. I was talking to the bartender about it. He says it's manufactured at one of these companies that essentially like rents out brewing equipment up to like small beer companies to do small batches, or not even small batches, but to do like a large batch, but where they don't need to be producing all the time. But yeah, it's essentially just like beer with pickle juice in it. It's exactly what it tastes like. It's good. I wanted to try it because, yeah, I heard from local people in Texas, which is where I think the company is originally from, that they're just obsessed with it. It's good. It's like a nice hot butter beer, I think.
Definitely. I put like vinegar in my gins sometimes, and that's pretty good.
Yeah.
I've heard of drinking like pickle juice with whiskey.
Yeah, picklebacks are good.
Yeah, definitely, those are good.
That's fun. Yeah, so you're the second person I know who ended up in SF for a project.
Oh, really?
Yeah, some of my charity teams also down there, like for work things, and they're like, oh, it's kind of a project like that.
Yeah, we ended up not like going crazy doing this like rides. Or even really we had fun, but I feel like both of us were also just like we're all kind of just want to relax.
Nice, that's pretty sad. Just bring some people to sing back and
Yeah, we did that the first night. We did go out for Friday night, which I kind of did a little bit of a bar crawl.
Still, I mean,
So it's just like
Friday
a really
morning,
cool
yeah.
version, like, so
It's developed by call anyway, so like Thursday night we didn't do anything big,
or they're trying to be
sober-ish.
But there's custom programs in there, and so yeah,
you see this.
they need some custom.
I don't know why we did that.
That's actually just right now. Like,
They actually have a pretty.
We're just going around and around in circles with
like
6 people in Salesforce who want us to files that we don't have money for. But
It's pretty good because
the executives are
support.
all like, oh, it's pretty, it's smart, let's look at it.
Your editor. That's why I switched. I've been with them for years.
Trying to do maybe about Limericks.
I used to be
Oh,
more.
did you get started with Civic stuff?
Very solid. I'm kind of like, I was talking this summer about this. I want to start like another project. Just comparing, taking a look at like the top 20, the 25 largest US cities and seeing what their projections look like.
I thought you were saying you were told the top 25 competitors to gamblers to compare.
Next project.
And I could have just taken half a second.
Yeah, but now that sounds like an interesting one.
Like, and then they smile and that's like, copy generate photo.
I keep meaning to spend time with David. It's another one of those things that I don't have a use for it personally, and we don't have budget for it. Or
It doesn't seem like there's a.
Yeah, it seems like, I mean, it's kind of price tag.
I'm very much
I think it's also another one of those charts that you can analyze how much it will cost, because it's like lots of meters, usage-based charges, so it's sort of like it's like shopping around on AWS or Google Cloud or Azure, where it's sort of like they give you this 10-page long document explaining how the different charges work, and so you're expected to figure out how much that's going to cost you. No one actually does. What you do is you just put it on a credit card and wait a month and see how much it costs after a month.
That's not great.
Yeah. I mean, it's fine if you aren't spending a crazy amount of money or if you have a lot to spend. It's hard